Let's start with what Nano and its highlights are specifically.
Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. Incredibly, the emphasis basically is on eliminating the flaws present in exceptionally other digital currencies, which is genuinely critical. The point is to bring nano crypto into people's regular routines. In contrast to popular belief, Nano simply implies to carry out its blockchain exchanges in a significantly faster
and more adaptable manner than Bitcoin.
Additionally, it was built with new information structures and other components to gain a few advantages over particularly other computerized coins. The Nano's small block size enables it to do lightweight correspondence, reducing trade confirmation times and making it faster without the need for traditional proof of work.
Mining hubs use far less energy per transaction, making them a greener option than the competition. Nano has a design for each block that contains all of the data about the bookkeeper. Each block also includes a small client-created verification of work esteem and a QoS priority instrument that allows a periodic client exchange to process at rapid paces, which is crucial. This exchange necessitates some investment in a couple of minutes to be conducted on modern central processors. Because of its lightweight structure, Nano Ultra is extremely fast. Nano additionally has an inventive agreement system known as open agent voting, in which a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's sake regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a critical part of the time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization, which is very huge. This is another feature of the nano currencies that distinguishes them from the competition in an unpretentious manner. With no direct monetary motivation for the hubs, this creates a better future for the organization's decentralization. Nano is an improved version of Bitcoin, with an emphasis on basic blocks that enable quick exchanges. Essentially, Nano stores exchange information in a block development similar to blockchain-based more modest tasks, making it simple to refresh and get it while additionally ensuring that blockchain usefulness is kept up at max operation. According to our Nano cost expectations, the normal value level of Nano for the current year may be about $2. The price of nanotechnology has been rising, and it could be a good portfolio addition for what's to come. According to our Nano cost forecast, the future cost of Nano is expected to be $5.13 after the current year. In 2023, the cost of Nano is expected to be around 1.38 cents, which is particularly significant. The Nano cost can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 1.60 cents with a typical cost of 1.42 cents according to our transient figure. According to the venture guidance from the Monetary Councils, the crypto costs generally are anticipated to be ill-fated as a result of the absence of national banks to direct it and having no genuine worth, which is very huge. This fundamentally was trailed by colossal selling and a cost change as short vendors likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and basically sell Nano. Most would agree that in the event that the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its unequaled high, it will probably continue a pattern that other digital currencies will likewise continue. On the lookout, clients need to execute specialized examination for exchanging they can in every practical sense attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike generally is noticed, and assuming that there explicitly is no cost on predictability truly attempt to take their benefits there. As a matter of fact, the framework is dependable and the improvement group really is as yet buckling down on it, yet the disadvantages are additionally there, like purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worth is mostly non-existent because it isn't widely known outside of a small circle, making it extremely difficult to forecast the nanocoin's future cost expectation. Furthermore, in the crypto market, anything can happen due to enormous unpredictability. In the year 2023, the most severe costs could range between $2 and 2 cents. The true leasing cost is 75 cents, whereas the average cost is 1.38 cents. All cost levels reflect the indication of cost expansion. By looking at the recurring costs, there is a possibility of long-haul procuring pretty potential in 2024. Ascend in an unobtrusive manner. The cost might reach a maximum of 2.55 cents, a minimum of $2.15, and a normal of $2.35 in the year 2024. According to the Nano cost projection, the cost of Nano could reach $3.15 in the year 2025. If the price rises to this level, it will be useful for speculating. In light of the Nano cost forecast, the Nano cost could go up to 4.39 in the year 2026 with a base cost of 3.85 cents in an inconspicuous manner. Nevertheless, Nano is sensibly protected open source and it can be used anywhere on the planet. In view of the positive mechanical advancement, any reasonable person would believe that it is possible for the Nano cost to outperform market returns if the Nano cost rises to the highs of 28. All things considered, the likelihood of that happening is also determined by what drives the market for its reception. In the year 2027, the Nano price could reach a true limit of $4.29. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost projection suggests that the probable low and high costs might be $4.15 and $5.25, respectively, with a median cost of $4.70. According to the NanoCoin cost projection, the symbolic will exchange at a maximum of $6.65 and at least $5.50, with a typical value of $6.07 for the year 2029. The Nano cost forecast for 2030 could surprise merchants, arriving at a cost of $8.11, making it a profitable venture. At the same time, the base and truly normal costs around of $7.20 and $7.65 separately. Where could I ever purchase Nano coins? Nano coins are truly accessible for by utilizing a few crypto trades, a portion of which are Binance Coin Kraken, and he will buy in any case. Getting Nano as different coins is difficult. Is Nano dependable? As indicated by our examination and Nano cost expectation, the nanobiological system is dependable as it holds bunches of advantages like quick and kind of free exchanges, versatility, and a decent group. Is Nano a wise speculation for years to come? Is Nano a wise speculation for years to come? Nano is a sensible investment decision, but no one knows how long it will take to recover at the cost, which is extremely high. A thorough study is required while investing in digital currencies for as long as possible, which is legitimately high. There isn't enough turn of events and news inclusion on Nano right now to make it a serious venture for the long haul. Before investing their hard-earned money in digital currencies, investors should conduct their own research regarding what Nano will be worth in 20 years.